Now we discuss velocity of sound measured by using resonance apparatus method. Okay? According to this method, I discuss now. Once again, I repeat. Determine velocity of sound by using resonance apparatus method. What is the meaning of resonance? First, to clarify. Okay, look here. Now, resonance means natural frequency equal to forced frequency. Then the body vibrate maximum amplitude. Once again, I repeat. If natural frequency of the body equal to forced frequency, then body vibrates maximum amplitude. This phenomena is called resonance. Amplitude square directly proportional to intensity. Amplitude maximum, intensity also maximum. A large booming sound heard. A large booming sound heard. Once again I repeat. What is the meaning of resonance? Natural frequency of the body equal to forced frequency of the body. Then the body vibrates maximum amplitude. This phenomena is called resonance. What is the identification? A large booming sound is here. The best example is soldiers marching on the bridge. Actually, bridge have some natural frequency. Bridge have some natural frequency. Soldiers marching on the bridge. Here, soldiers marching on the bridge. Marching because of legs to give the forced frequency to the bridge. So that is called forced frequency. Forced frequency is given to the bridge by soldiers because of marching. మార్చింగ్ చేయడం వలన ఈ బ్రిడ్జ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి ఫోర్స్డ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ వస్తుంది. వెన్ ఎనీ సిచ్యువేషన్ న్యాచురల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫోర్స్డ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ, then that phenomena is called resonance. A large booming sound is here. That means this bridge will be collapsed. Dandike soldiers nana there is no marching on the bridge. ఎప్పుడైనా మధ్యలో వాళ్ళు మార్చ్ పాస్ చేసేటప్పుడు బ్రిడ్జ్ వస్తే వాక్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తారు. ఎందుకు అంటే బికాజ్ మార్చింగ్ చేయడం వల్ల ఫోర్స్డ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీ వస్తుంది టు ద బ్రిడ్జ్. న్యాచురల్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీకి బ్యాలెన్స్ అయితే then the body vibrates a maximum amplitude. That means a large booming sound is here. So that's why on the bridge soldiers cannot be marching. Okay, this is the basic phenomenon. What is the resonance? Natural frequency is equal to forced frequency. Then the body vibrate maximum amplitude. According to this phenomena, to measure the velocity of sound. Velocity of sound. Look here. This is the closed organ pipe. Closed organ pipe means one end is closed. At the bottom, one tap can be used. Tap here tap. Because what is the use of tap here? Water is outlet. Water is coming outside. Here, look here. This is the water nana. Look here. This is the tuning fork nana. This tuning fork ni rubber hammer to itla kodite sound vastadu nana. Enna once again. This is the tuning fork. This is the hammer. Rubber hammer is here hit on the tuning fork nana. Look here. A rubber hammer. By using rubber hammer to hit on the tuning fork, the tuning fork is vibrate and to produce the sound produce the sound look here and to produce the sound this sound propagated here at the simultaneously water level decrease water level decrease at any instant, a large booming sound can be heard. That means Nana, here air natural vibrations because of sound because of sound air ki forced vibrations వస్తాయి Nana. Sound propagated through air here Nana, through air. కాబట్టి Nana, here natural vibrations of the air equal to forced vibrations of the air, because sound is a form of energy. Because of energy, that the air particles will be vibrate. That vibrations is called forced vibrations. Once again I repeat, again I repeat. Actually here air is there, water level decrease, it becomes air. Air have some natural vibrations, that is called natural frequency. Here by using a rubber hammer to hit the tuning fork, and the sound is propagated here Nana. Because of sound is a form of energy. Because of energy, here air particles are vibrate, that is called forced vibrations or forced frequency. Here when natural frequency equal to forced frequency, then a large booming sound is here. At that instant, this water tap is cut. That means water tap is off. So in this situation, to measure this length Nana, to measure this length Nana, here node is formed because this is closed end, this is open end. Here which will be formed? Antinode. What is the distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4. In the situation, this L is lambda by 4. This is called L1. L1 is called length of the resonating column. Once again, L1 is length of the first resonating column. L1 is called, once again, length of L1 is called length of first resonating column. Okay, L1 is called length of first resonating column. Okay, next same situation repeated Nana. Once again, this tap is open, water level decreases, and again sound propagated. In next situation is here Nana. Look here, a large booming sound can be here and stop the water, and this length is measured. This corresponding length is called L2. Here this is node, this is called antinode. The distance between two nodes is lambda by 2. The distance between node and antinode is lambda by 4. Total value is 3 lambda by 4. What is the L2 value? 3 lambda by 4. Look here Nana, what is the L2 value? 3 lambda by 4. Here this L2 is called length of the second resonating column. Indaka L1 ante length of the first resonating column. This is the length of the second resonating column. Once again I explain the experiment Nana. Here tuning fork is placed. Tuning fork gives sound vibrations Nana. Here a tap is open, water level decrease and sound propagated in the air. At any instant a large booming sound is here. At that instant this water tap is off and corresponding length is measured. This length is L2. In the previous situation, length is L1. Here we know that what is the L2 minus L1? Already L1 is 3 lambda by 4. L2 is 3 lambda by 4. L1 is, we know that, lambda by 4. Here LCM is 4. 3 lambda minus lambda, 2 lambda. Here L2 minus L1. Here neatly write as L2 minus L1 equal to lambda by 2. What is the velocity of sound formula? N lambda. According to this situation, lambda equal to V by N. Here V by N into 2. This is called L2 minus L1. According to this situation, what is the V value? 2N into L2 minus L1. This is the formula for velocity of sound to measure the by using velocity of sound to measure the resonating apparatus. This is not necessary, Nana, because this is not in the intermediate, only for the purpose of objective. So that's why to remain only formula. What is the velocity of sound formula? 2 into n into L2 minus L1. Here V indicate velocity of sound, n indicate frequency of tuning fork. Once again, what is the n, Nana? Frequency of tuning fork. Once again, V equal to 2n into L2 minus L1. V indicate velocity of sound, n indicate frequency of tuning fork, L1 indicate length of the first resonating column, L2 indicate length of the second resonating column. What is the formula for velocity of sound in the resonating column apparatus method? V equal to 2 into n into L2 minus L1. Here L1 indicate length of the first resonating column, L2 indicate the length of the second resonating column. Okay, n indicate the frequency of the tuning fork and V indicate velocity of sound. What is the resonance? If natural frequency of the body equal to forced frequency of the body, then the body vibrates maximum amplitude. In the next video, I discuss so many problems. Okay, I give assignments also today to solve the assignments.